Hello everyone, Morgan from Array Edge Networks, and we're here at the SRND Group stand at ISE 2024. The team from SRND Group have invited us to have a run through of their product offering. One of the key products that we're particularly interested in is what they call Light Wars. It is part of their home cinema construction solutions. So they have various different techniques and designs where they are making fabric walling panels, speaker columns, light fixtures, and generally a whole room build-out solution that is incredibly high quality and a very professional finish. We have experienced the Light Wars solution at Barco head office in Kortrijk, Belgium, and that was my first exposure back in September 2022, where we went through for the demonstration at Barco, and that was the first time I saw it, and I was quite surprised. I didn't know much about the company at the time, but after having a chat to the team behind the company, it's been great to be exposed to where their design philosophy comes from, how they are delivering high quality home cinema build-out solutions for the industry. Obviously these do include things like fabric wall solutions with the fabric track profiles that enable you to tuck fabric into the walls, and then obviously various different mounting options, LED options, and timber-based finishes so that you can get a really, really high quality home cinema finish. So generally just thank you so very much to the team at SRND Group for bringing out this equipment and the Light Wars solution as a display stand here at ISE 2024. And if you'd like to know more information about Light Wars and about how the cinema room can be constructed with the Light Wars solutions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact details will be in the video description below, and look forward to seeing where Light Wars develops from here.